At Carepatron, we are constantly looking at ways to improve. If you have any feedback on how we can improve our videos and resources, please leave us a comment in the comment section below. A dental treatment plan is a comprehensive roadmap created to address a patient's specific dental health needs and goals. It's a valuable tool for both dental professionals and patients, serving as a guide to achieving and maintaining optimal oral health. The process begins with a thorough assessment of the patient's medical history, current dental conditions, and any specific concerns they may have. These plans are essential because they allow dental professionals to develop personalized and effective treatments tailored to an individual's needs. Typically, a dental treatment plan includes a detailed description of recommended dental procedures. This might include anything from cleanings and restorations to more complex treatments like root canals or orthodontic work. Treatment plans are often divided into several shapes. The immediate phase addresses urgent dental concerns, while later phases focus on long-term care and preventative strategies. The maintenance phase, a key part of any dental treatment plan, ensures regular monitoring to sustain results and prevent future issues. A dental treatment plan is particularly useful when a patient requires more extensive or ongoing care. Here are some key scenarios where this plan is indispensable. Identifying and prioritizing treatment needs. It helps dental professionals systematically evaluate and address each dental issue based on urgency and importance. Tracking progress. A well-structured treatment plan allows for ongoing tracking of dental treatments. This ensures continuous care, with the plan serving as a record of all procedures performed and their outcomes. Aligning with patients' personal goals. By designing a plan that meets the patient's objectives, such as improving oral hygiene or achieving a more aesthetically pleasing smile, the dental professional ensures the treatment is aligned with the patient's long-term health goals. Cost estimation and payment planning. The dental treatment plan also serves a practical function by estimating the costs of various treatments. Using a dental treatment plan is simple. Here's how you get started. Firstly, download the plan. Access the free dental treatment plan template through Carepatron, either through the link in the description, or sign up for free where you have access to our in-app template library. Fill out the template. You can choose to print the template or fill it out digitally. Be sure to complete each section accurately, outlining the patient's treatment options, preventative measures, and specific procedures tailored to their needs. Discuss the plan with the patient. Once filled out, schedule a meeting with your patient to review the plan in detail. Clearly explain how each treatment will contribute to their overall oral health and how it aligns with their goals. Secure the treatment plan. After finalizing the plan, store it securely to protect patient confidentiality. If you'd like to see a sample of our dental treatment plan, check out the example we've provided. And to explore more templates or learn how Carepatron can simplify your practice management, visit our website and sign up for free. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more of our content.